So hi everyone. Um when I made this hair, my hair was a bit breaking. But I asked my hairdresser, I asked her a few questions about my hair. She told me that my hair is soft, but my hair was breaking, and I asked her that what do you think is the issue? And she said probably because I was not detangling my hair well, or probably because I had a lot of build up on my scalp. But while I was making my hair, I also noticed I was feeling a lot of pain on my scalp. Like I was feeling a lot of pain. Now, before this video, I've moisturized my hair with Mega Growth. I've done that. You can still see these traces on my hair. So I bought this herbal cream, India herbal cream, and they said it's for hair and scalp conditioning. So this was not the one that I wanted to buy. I wanted to buy so many tobacco, but when I got there, the woman said she doesn't have. She said I should take this. I said I've not used it. That this one even work better than what's it called? She said this one even work better than the soulmate herbal cream. So it is called CCB Natural. So I'm going to be trying this. I hope it works. I hope it works. So the thing is, I'm not going to be adding it like this. I'm going to turn. I'm not going to be adding it like this. I'm going to turn it into what? I'm going to turn it into a cream. No, sorry, into oil. I pray it works. I love this container. Like, I love how it's small and I feel like it will work. Does not really have smell, any conjugate smell. I feel like this thing will work. And I'm going to turn this into cream. I'm going to heat it up. I'm going to heat it up and turn it into oil. Why am I saying cream? I'm going to turn it into oil. So that's I'm going to add this, but I'm not sure yet. So this is Blue Magic. I know that some people are familiar with Blue Magic, and also yes, it's for scalp conditioner and herbal hair and scalp conditioning. So I pray it works for my hair. I have a feeling that this will work. I have a feeling that it will work. So let's go right into it. And also I read about how I can improve on my scalp. I read about it. So I got to know that flaxseed as well is very good for the scalp. So I just got this to test if it's going to go, if it's going to work. I pray it works actually, because you see this thing is 1,000 naira. As tiny as this thing is 1,000 naira. The way you are looking at it like this. So I pray it works. So I'm going to use this as the LC home method. So this one will be the LC, and this one will be the oil for my hair. So guys, I'm back. Please, I'm so sorry that it's a little bit dark. Rain wants to fall and it took the light. So I'm so sorry for that. So I have my flaccid here. It is very gelatinous. Very gelatinous. I'm so sorry I did not show the process of that. And also for the oil I did, this is it. So this is the outcome of it. But I noticed that it's becoming thicker. It was a bit watery before. That means it might eventually go back to the normal state. But before that, I'm going to add it to my hair. And probably anytime I want to use it, I will just heat it up and that is it. So I feel like it's still going to go back So let's start with this. So I'm using this applicator bottle because it is very gelatinous. Hey, it's not even picking it. Ah, it's not picking it though. It's very gelatinous. It's my, if I use spraying bottle, it won't spray it. So oh my god, it's not picking it. Can you see? It's very gelatinous. So I'll pour it on my hand then use it to rub my hair. I have some tiny fluid on my hair. I feel like before I leave for church tomorrow. Oh my god, I'm feeling a bit relieved. Won't I use all this since I'm rubbing it? So I still have left, but the little I could, I'm still going to put leave the rest for at least what's it called? For at least 24 hours, so that the plastic can still penetrate well into the water. So I'm just using this for, of course, it has some nutrient in it, but it can be not be compared when you leave something for more days, if you get what I'm trying to say. So I think I'm done with this process. So let's go to the oil. Let me close this thing. It's, I swear it is hot. It's still a bit hot. Yeah. I need to church tomorrow. My year by force by fire. You won't give me shit. In the 90 name of Jesus. I don't get time for all this. So I feel like I'm done with this process. It's better you just that's poured this in my face. It's becoming sick. Look at my hand. So it's better you just do this at night so that before the next morning. Guys, it's becoming thick already. So I don't think this process is working. But hey. So I feel like I'm done. So I'm going to show you how my hair looks in the morning. Oh God, I beg, God of Nazareth, my fine hair. Oh, let me just cover it. What's this? But I'm saying results. I don't care. Like I don't care because no one knows the pain I passed through. Why making this? I was feeling pain. I was like, I know that I feel pain, but this one was a bit too much for me. Like I was just like, and my hair just said, my hair is soft. So what's that going on? That means my scalp is very hard, very hard. So I need to do something about it. So this is what I feel like I should do. So some people do scalp detox, but I've made my hair. It's not something I can do now. Maybe probably when I lose this year, I'll be able to do. So I've come to the end of this vlog. Is this a vlog or I don't even know. So thank you so much for watching. I want to, if you have any question, of course I might add how my hair looks tomorrow. I did go church. Hey, my hair should not be like, and this hair was it's so fine. Should not be like weapon fashion against me. So or probably I might just rinse my hair tomorrow. Who knows? So let's see how it goes. Thank you so much for watching. Guys, look at, so it's becoming thicker and thicker and thicker. Probably I'm going to use it just like the, no, I feel like oil will work faster. So that's why I'm using the precious. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next vlog or next video. Bye for now.